Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to the channel. I'm out here with my boys Bryce, Adam, and Andy. We're gonna do a little dove hunting. So how we have it set up, we're out here in an open little field right in the middle of these trees. The doves are cutting pretty hard. Just missed a couple that flew over my head, so stay tuned. Hopefully I can get some action in for you guys.
Got him, baby.
Got him, baby. There you go, guys. Let's get it. Good stuff. There you go. That's actually dove number 2 for me. I didn't get the chance to record the first one, but let's go. 13 more, baby.
Here they come.
Oh, it's coming 3. Oh, fuck.
Circle.
Oh, no, they're going.
Two on
bro.
top.
On top of you, Adam?
Blackbird.
No, those are.
Blackbird.
No, those aren't it. Alright, guys.
Did you find the first one you got?
Yeah. So far, so good. Got a couple. We're actually gonna do a kill and cook video here, so hopefully we get some. So we'll show you guys what we're making. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Right there, shoot it.
Oh, right here. Oh my god.
Goddamn.
Where did he come from? I look up and I just see something.
That is eye level,
Oh
dog.
my god.
Damn.
Oh, that's kind of embarrassing. I bet that's on the video too.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, as soon as I get up and grab more ammo, bro, one just flew right at me, eye level. Right here, break.
Oh, yo. Oh, good shot. There it is. Wow. One hit a quitter.
All right, fam. It's number 3.
Oh, what the? Grab some noodles too. Ready.
Yep.
Grab some noodles, Andy.
Out on top of you. Good shot.
Get in the video.
Good shot.
Lucky I caught out. Oh, right there?
It's right there. All right, guys, it's lunchtime, so we're gonna grub down on some cup noodles with some pork belly. Slowing down, so I'm gonna grub up. Hopefully it picks up.
Did you get that shot earlier?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, buddy. That's how we do it out here.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, 9.
Oh, that's
54.
That put that in heart.
Yeah, the heart, and then the other one, the liver.
They're here, bro. Bro, it flew right over my head. I just heard it.
It's gonna be a long fucking day. Oh, right here.
Andy, whoa. You could have got it, bro.
I'll let Andy shoot it. Orange hat. No, they can't see colors.
Yeah, they
They can see orange, right?
They can't see orange.
No, they can't see orange.
They can see orange.
Damn, dude, you trying to blow us up?
Yeah.
That one flew right on top of my head. You could have shot the one Andy shot at too.
Right there, dude.
So, bro, what we doing, man?
So what's up? So right now, we're plucking these duds. We're gonna do a kill and cook video. Yes, sir.
Oh, yo.
Right there, Bryce. Whoa.
I'm telling you, bro. Go sit in my spot, bro.
That's a big one too.
Go sit in my spot.
All right, guys. So it is lunchtime. We managed to get a couple. If you guys saw in the video, Adam got a pretty good shot. We're gonna grub up a little bit and continue the hunt. Got the barbecue grill going. Adam's over here cleaning the dubs right now. But yeah, take a quick picture of our dinner. I mean, as far as our lunch. And I'll get right back to you guys, right? There you go.
Yes, sir. This is a make shit good right here.
MSG, baby.
This is make shit good.
Delicious. Alright guys, so it's gonna be Bryce practicing his shots. He's gonna hit one shot.
Ready?
Yeah. Go, baby. Alright. I don't feel too bad now. Ready to your left. Oh, it's gone. That was hella low, dude. Oh, right there, right there, right there.
Good shot, bro. Shoot that way, bro. It's uphill, so we're sitting a little higher.
Yeah. You should like right out of this. Fuck. Very front, very front. Shoot it, Andy. Alright then guys, cheers. Nothing like some good pepper also. Bussin', bro.
Get a little piece of that. Piece of the rice. Ginger. Get you some. Kind of want another one.
Dang, bro. Oh, oh, that was like 5 or 6.
In the circle? Oh,
Oh, damn. We were all busy.
damn.
They came to the mojo.
Yeah, get the mojos, bro. Oh man,
Got one straight ahead.
it ain't coming.
Oh, it's going that way. I cannot believe that just happened.
That just happened, man.
Fucking 4 or 5.
I didn't see it that far.
Yeah.
And from the start. Good fuck, Bryce. Yep, I missed it.
Oh, they're straight to very soon. Hey, how's it going, fam? So overall today was a pretty rough day. Birds weren't flying as much, and just no activity, no life. So we're gonna call it a day. I was able to capture a couple of shots for you guys, but otherwise than that, walked home with 4. For dove hunting, limit for one man is 15 doves. Yeah, it's just a pretty rough day today, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.